men and women in blue. And the first formation, 3 Jaguar deep penetration strike aircraft flying in victory formation. Formation led by Group Captain Swamitra Tamaskar, Vayu Sena Medal. Jaguar aircraft capable of striking the enemy ground installations using air-to-ground missiles and bombs. What's the name of the flares? Coming next are MiG-21 Bison flying in victory formation, and the formation today is led by none other than the Balakot hero Wing Commander Abhinandan Vartaman Veer Chakra. Multi-role aircraft adept at both ground attack as well as aerial interception, led by Wing Commander Abhinandan Vartaman Veer Chakra.